Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install the Microsoft Windows Defender. This is an antivirus protection made by Windows and it protects your computer against viruses and malware. First of all, go to your search bar and type Windows Store. Click on the Microsoft Store to open. Wait until the Microsoft Store uploads. We should see pictures and apps. As a next step, type Microsoft Defender and hit enter. Locate the Microsoft Defender logo. It looks like a blue shield. Click on it and it should show Microsoft Defender. We should see that the maker is Microsoft Corporation and click Get. At this stage, the application will be downloaded and installed automatically and you should be able to use it. This operation will usually take up to 2 minutes as a maximum. Now, once you see open, it means that it has been downloaded and installed. Just click open and the Microsoft Defender should be available for you. We need to wait and we can already see it here in the bottom in the right that is already there and it's coming. Microsoft or Windows Security is the same as Microsoft Defender. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.